All right, everyone. I wanted to share part of my process with Sprout Studio because this is why I go through the entire thing and not just stop at once you get to the payment part. So, as you see, this is my thank you message. I do not automatically have Sprout sign my contract or what I call portrait agreement for me. I like to do it manually just in case. So, right here, I noticed that I did not have this part filled in. And so it says for your, oh my gosh, what does it say? Your unselected or your, yeah. So basically kind of says like your blank session with Avenue 9 photography. I was like, oh yeah, I need to add this. So I want it to say spotlight session. So I put spotlight session in and it has session in there twice. So we don't want a session. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this just in case this has happened to you or you have one that is uncategorized. That's what it is. All right, so we're going to go into Sprout. And as you can see, I'm already in this screen, but I'm going to get out of it really quick because I want to show you how to get there. Once you are in your Sprout, we'll start at the beginning. So once I'm in here, I'm going to go down to the setup button. And once I'm in setup, we have all the pricing, payment schedules. We're going to go down to where it says account. And we are going to look at our metadata. So right here, you'll be able to see all the different types of statuses and types that you can add into Sprout. So we want to change a shoot type. So I have a ton in here, as you can see. Really need to probably go through and clean these up. But my spotlight session, note to self, is not to be double name session. So put the first part of what you want to call your session and just leave it alone. So we're going to come down here and go to edit. We're just going to take this part off. It is now spotlight. It is now still yellow like the spotlight. And that is what's going to do it. But I will tell you this one more thing before you leave. I'll walk you through this proposal that I just created. So I have my welcome message. I just do one welcome message from the scheduler. I do not use the welcome message from the booking. I have the calendar come up first, my time. It confirms my time and I say yes. I have 3 different sessions that can be chosen. I've gone through and I've added info about each one, who it's good for, and these are all the same price and they offer just different products along with the session. So you can see the more info, you can see who they're good for. I'm going to just go ahead and pick headshot. It'll pop up right here. So obviously I don't want to pay that amount for my session. I just want to be able to see the rest of the process. So I have a special coupon and I'll have to change it now after this, that I can go add 100% to the invoice and I can go through and I can just create something. It's going to save my information. It'll go through this process and then I'll be able to see what the client sees. So from here, I go right to the portrait agreement. You can see my email come through that says somebody is like looking at this. And so I will do that. I will give it a little signature and accept that. So as I'm going through, I'm making sure everything looks good. Now we're at the end and oh, somebody's done it. So it's almost official. Again, it's waiting for me to actually sign it on the other end. And then it does say spotlight session with Avenue 9 photography. So that is what we're looking for. So they'll also be able to see all the details of their session, their invoice, their contract, and then they can add it to their calendar right here. So I hope that was helpful when you are adding the category or shoot type for your session and how to book on the scheduler and what that whole process is like. See you next time.